Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Coleslaw is originally a Dutch salad. It is basically made with shredded cabbage and carrots, so it's pretty easy to make and it is generally served cold. I've added a few other vegetables to this salad. So today I'm going to make a nice and easy sandwich with the coleslaw salad. This is great for lunch or dinner. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the coleslaw salad sandwich, first I'm going to make the dressing. To a bowl, add 3/4 cup of eggless mayonnaise. Now if you do have egg mayonnaise, you can use that as well. Next, add a teaspoon of the mustard paste or the mustard sauce. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper and 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. Next, add the juice of 1 medium-sized lemon and mix everything well till it's all well combined. So after mixing everything, you can check for seasoning at this point, and if you do need to add any particular seasoning, you can add that. Keep the dressing aside. So I have some nice fresh vegetables here for the coleslaw. So if you see, all the vegetables have been very thinly cut up, mostly like juliennes. So make sure whenever you're making this particular coleslaw that the vegetables are nicely cut into nice thin juliennes. To a large bowl, add 1 bowl of thinly shredded cabbage, 1 bowl of thinly shredded purple cabbage, 1 carrot that's been cut into juliennes, 1 small onion thinly sliced. Now onion is actually optional. If you don't want it, you can do it without it. 1 medium-sized green capsicum cut into juliennes. Finally, add the red capsicum. You can see all the vegetables, how fresh and juicy they are. Now add the prepared salad dressing and mix all the vegetables with the dressing. Make sure it's all coated well. So make sure whenever you're making this particular salad, all the vegetables are very nicely cleaned and they're all nice and fresh. Wow, you can see the salad dressing has coated the vegetables so beautifully. So now that the coleslaw is ready, let's start making the sandwiches. So I've taken brown bread. You can use any bread of your choice for this particular recipe. So cut off the ends of the bread. Take a few spoonfuls of the coleslaw, place it on one slice. Just spread it out evenly. Place another slice on top. Cut it into triangles. Wow, those coleslaw sandwiches look absolutely fresh and delicious. They make for a perfect lunch or a nice light meal. You can serve it for a nice evening snack with some juice. So you can see how easy these coleslaw sandwiches are. I would recommend you to try them and post your comments after you've tried them and let me know what other sandwiches you would like to see. I'll give you a couple of links to all the other sandwich recipes that I've made. You can check them out as well. The coleslaw sandwich is amazing because of its mild and beautifully tasting salad dressing and also those nice and fresh vegetables that are so crisp and crunchy. Now I've used wheat bread. You can use any bread of your choice to make these sandwiches. So do try them, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.